torque specification for lug nuts is a critical piece of information to ensure vehicle safety and prevent potential accidents. Locating this information is generally straightforward, with several reliable sources available. The primary location to find the correct torque amount is in the vehicle's owner's manual. This manual contains a wealth of information about the vehicle, including recommended maintenance procedures, fluid capacities, and, importantly, the correct torque specifications for various fasteners, including lug nuts. The owner's manual is usually the first place anyone should look for this information. Another common location for finding lug nut torque specifications is on a sticker placed inside the driver's side door jamb. This sticker often contains information about tire pressure, vehicle weight, and, in many cases, the recommended torque for the lug nuts. This sticker serves as a quick reference guide, making it easy to check the torque specifications without having to consult the owner's manual every time. In addition to the owner's manual and the door jamb sticker, the repair manual specific to a particular make and model of the vehicle can also provide torque specifications. Repair manuals, such as those published by Haynes or Chilton, provide detailed information about various repair and maintenance procedures for a specific vehicle. These manuals often include torque specifications for all fasteners on the vehicle, including lug nuts. Consulting a repair manual can be particularly useful if the owner's manual is not available or if additional details are needed. It is important to understand that the torque amount for lug nuts can vary depending on several factors. Firstly, the size and type of lug nuts used can affect the required torque. Different sizes and designs of lug nuts may require different torque settings to ensure proper clamping force. Secondly, the weight of the vehicle can also influence the torque specification. Heavier vehicles typically require higher torque settings to ensure that the wheels are securely attached. Because of these variations, it is essential to consult the specific sources mentioned earlier to obtain the correct torque amount for a particular vehicle and its lug nuts. Using the correct torque amount when tightening lug nuts is crucial for several reasons. Over-tightening lug nuts can lead to damage to both the lug nuts and the wheel studs. When lug nuts are over-tightened, the excessive force can cause the threads on the lug nuts or wheel studs to strip, which can compromise their ability to securely hold the wheel in place. Over-tightening can also distort the wheel, leading to vibrations and uneven tire wear. Under-tightening lug nuts, on the other hand, can be equally dangerous. If lug nuts are not tightened sufficiently, they can gradually loosen over time due to the vibrations and stresses of driving. Loose lug nuts can cause the wheel to wobble, leading to uneven tire wear, damage to the wheel bearings, and, in extreme cases, the wheel can completely detach from the vehicle, which can result in a serious accident. Therefore, it is essential to use a torque wrench to ensure that lug nuts are tightened to the correct specification. A torque wrench is a specialized tool that allows you to apply a specific amount of torque to a fastener. Torque wrenches come in various types, including click type, beam type, and digital torque wrenches. Click type torque wrenches are the most common type and are relatively easy to use. They have a dial or scale that allows you to set the desired torque, and they emit a click sound when the set torque is reached. Beam type torque wrenches have a pointer that indicates the applied torque on a scale. Digital torque wrenches provide a digital readout of the applied torque and often have features such as data logging and the ability to set different units of measurement. When using a torque wrench, it is essential to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Before using the torque wrench, make sure it is properly calibrated. A properly calibrated torque wrench will ensure accurate torque readings. It is also essential to use the correct size socket for the lug nuts. Using the wrong size socket can damage the lug nuts or the torque wrench. When tightening the lug nuts, it is important to follow a star pattern. A star pattern involves tightening the lug nuts in a sequence that alternates across the wheel. For example, on a 5-lug wheel, tighten one lug nut, then skip to the lug nut directly opposite it, then tighten the next lug nut in the star pattern, and so on. This helps to distribute the torque evenly across the wheel and ensures that the wheel is properly seated against the hub. After tightening the lug nuts to the specified torque, it is a good practice to recheck the torque after driving a short distance, such as 50 to 100 miles. This is because the lug nuts can sometimes loosen slightly as the wheel settles onto the hub. Rechecking the torque ensures that the lug nuts remain properly tightened and that the wheel remains securely attached. In summary, finding the lug nut torque specifications is a crucial step in ensuring vehicle safety. These specifications can typically be found in the vehicle's owner's manual, on a sticker inside the driver's side door jamb, or in the repair manual for the vehicle. The torque amount can vary depending on the size and type of lug nuts used, as well as the weight of the vehicle. It is important to use a torque wrench to tighten the lug nuts to the correct specification, following a star pattern and rechecking the torque after driving a short distance. By following these guidelines, the risk of lug nuts loosening or wheels detaching can be minimized, and vehicle safety can be enhanced.